So I'm getting a little paranoid about overweight fees because I think not taking the transformer out of this is actually causing me to be over 50 pounds, which is 23 kilograms. And that is the weight limit, and the fees look pretty stiff for going over. If I were flying executive, I'd get up to 70 pounds, in which case it'd be a non-issue, but that is a very expensive upgrade, and not one I'm prepared to make. So I think, unfortunately, the necessity now is going to be to did I do any damage here? I don't think I did that. Nope, no damage yet. Yet. I think the necessity is going to be to take this power supply out. So we'll do that now. Okay. Let's see here. What do we have? Yeah, really reeks of smoke. Serious. Decades or cigarette smoke in this thing. Okay, so this is going to come out. We're going to take the whole thing out. And it's going to be messy, but we're going to do it because I think I just can't afford the weight. I think it's going to be the best option, so these are clearly the heaviest thing there. So here we go. We already have some lifting of this, although we don't really know why that one isn't. You know, these things are tricky to transport, that's for sure. Tricky to transport. Okay. See, and this one isn't going to be all nice and clean in the suitcase like the other one. The other one's just gorgeously clean. This one will be quite a bit trickier. See, and there's all this lint too, which almost makes you wonder, was this thing used in a dry cleaning factory or something? You know. Alright, so we've got washers down there. Let's see about this side. Okay. Alright. And okay. There we go. So we're going to want to unplug this one from here, and same deal, green, black, and blue there. And so we're going to want to take a quick picture of that. Okay. There we go. Same wiring, and I'm sure we'll be redoing that for USA 110 volts soon. Alright, now this thing is totally free. There's that weight, that heavy thing. Okay, so now let's put these back in. Yeah, all that lint. Eek. Look at all that lint. No bent pins here, though. That's cool. Okay, now clearly that has pulled completely out, and so we don't know what's happened to that. It's kicking around here somewhere. But then this, we'll have to put these somewhere too. Okay. There we go. Back in place. Alright. We'll set this aside. Yeah, this definitely has some weight to it, so we'll put this in the carry-on where it's not weighed. Okay. That sure looks like an add-on to me. Oh look, and it's not even connected. Not even connected. Look at that. Huh. Okay, well, so that being the case, then let's get the tape back out. And tape this in place. See, you can't stick it to anything because everything is coated in the fuzz, right? So maybe I just do that. And then it can't go too far because, you know, it's kind of stuck. That's good enough. Okay. Let's try again here. Oof. Okay, there we go. Alright, well that's much lighter. I hope we get this to work. Okay, so that works. We've established that. And just put this in under here. Like that. Whew. Okay, now let's put this in. So So the CRT is going to have to go here. It's going to be tricky, but we'll make it work. Alright. Okay. So I had the CRT in here. Here's the other power supply. Look how clean that is. Alright, well physically it's going to fit kind of, maybe a little bit. Barely. Alright. So we'll see what we can do like that. Let's see that. Put stress on this. We don't want that. We don't want that at all. That needs to be stress-free. So, what's worse? Is having that exposed up or down? How about side? Can we do it on the side? Bet we can. Yeah. Oh, I think that's going to be better.